On a quiet family farm, where green fields stretched as far as the eye could see, a new day was dawning. Birds chirped their morning songs as three siblings, Ion, Sarah, and Allie, woke up to help their parents. "Come on, everyone," Ion called out, already eager to start. "We've got to finish watering the crops before breakfast." Sarah stretched and let out a big yawn. "Ugh, it's so early. Can't we do it later?" But little Ollie was already full of energy. With a mischievous grin, he shouted, "I'll do it faster than both of you. Race you to the well." And just like that, he was off, running, and splashing water everywhere. Sarah and Ion were left behind, bickering over the best way to get the job done. In their haste and disagreement, buckets spilled. Plants were drowned in too much water, and soon, the once neat rows of crops became a giant, muddy mess. Ion looked at the chaos in frustration. "Ollie, Sarah, look what happened. We're supposed to work together, not against each other." Sarah crossed her arms, annoyed. Maybe if someone didn't act like they were the boss all the time. Or if someone didn't take forever to decide what to do. Ollie shot back. They glared at each other, and the rest of the morning was spent in a tense, unhappy silence. That very night, however, everything changed. Dark, menacing clouds rolled in over the village, and a heavy rain began to pour down. The wind howled and shrieked, shaking the windows of their little farmhouse as if it wanted to break in. Their mother rushed to them, her voice filled with worry. "Children, the storm is getting stronger. Go check the barn. Make sure the animals are safe." Without a second thought, the three siblings ran outside into the raging storm. The wind was so fierce that it was starting to tear the roof right off the barn. "The rope," Ollie yelled over the wind. "We can tie it down." "I'll get the rope," Sarah shouted back. "Ion, you hold the door." Ion threw his weight against the barn door, bracing it as cold rain lashed across his face. Sarah, meanwhile, sprinted through deep puddles, grabbed a thick rope, and tossed it to Allie. "Allie, tie it around the pole. Hurry," Ion yelled, his voice barely audible above the storm's roar. Though he was small, Ollie was quick. He scrambled up and fastened the rope tightly around a sturdy wooden pole. Then, all three of them grabbed the rope and pulled with every ounce of strength they had. The storm roared even louder, but together, they held on. And the barn held firm. The next morning, the sun broke through the clouds, its golden light making the dew-kissed fields glisten. The barn, which had faced the full fury of the storm, was still standing, all thanks to the siblings' teamwork. Their father looked at them, his face beaming with pride. "You three did it. If you hadn't worked together, we might have lost the barn." Ion smiled at Sarah and Ollie, a new understanding in his eyes. "I guess it took a storm to show us how strong we are when we're together." Sarah nodded, smiling back. "Yeah, teamwork really is our superpower." Allie grinned, his eyes twinkling. "So that means no more fighting, right?" Sarah playfully ruffled his hair. "Only if you promise not to splash mud next time." They all laughed, the sound warm and bright in the morning air, and walked back to the farmhouse, hand in hand. In the days that followed, something had shifted. The siblings worked as a true team. Ion, the planner, would map out their tasks. Sarah, the organizer, would make sure everything ran smoothly. And Allie, with his boundless energy, brought fun and laughter to their work. The crops thrived, growing healthier and stronger than ever before. It's a simple truth, but one we often forget. When we stand together, nothing can break us apart. True power isn't found in strength alone, but in the unity, love, and trust we share with those beside us. Together, we are always stronger. Thank you so much for watching this story with us. If it touched your heart, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring tales. We'll see you in the next one.